Hey, how's it going, YouTube? So I just wanted to bring you guys an update on this package. I got hit up a couple weeks ago from a good brother named David. He said that he watches my channel and he likes what I'm doing, and he wanted to send me a care package. So when I opened up this package, it almost made me tear that I said I had to share with you guys. So this is a letter he sent. So I'm gonna go ahead and read that out for y'all. He said, "Hey brother, what's up? This is a care package he said, this care package is coming to you all the way from New Mexico. I watch your channel and I dig how you roll. Keep it up and God bless. David." Shout out to David, man. Truly appreciate that. It's people like y'all that make me do what I do, from events to all that. Now look at this care package. Now I opened this up and got right here and froze. That I said, nah, I got to go and get the camera to show you guys. So I'm going to pull all this stuff out the box and show y'all what's in. All right, YouTube. So I'm back. This is all the stuff I took out of here. I'm going to go through everything. But also, when I was going through it, I thought the box was finished. And I'm scrambling, and there's more stuff under here. So before I get to that, let me show y'all what's here. So he gave me some hotties for the front, some split sixes for the rear, some reactions, some F11s. Those are good too. These are the ones with the, it has a, sorry about that guys, there we go. So this one has an offset. I know that's the difference in case somebody wanted to know. He gave me a couple charging leads. Well, this is a charger for the charging port. Another charging lead. You got some rims to go with those. I see some 3D printed stuff as well. This is drag racing mount. I'm not sure what that is, but we will figure that out. He gave me some bead locks. I believe these are carbon fiber ones. Came with the screws and everything. Part number there. I'm gonna get our part number for that too, in case y'all know what this is and y'all been looking for it. He gave me a glow plug, so I definitely know he watches my channel. Unless this is something else, I don't know, we're gonna see. Gave me some stacks for the side. They were really nice. I like that. They're really nice, I like those. Come with the one screw in there in the middle. He gave me some battery terminals. This is something I haven't seen yet. He gave me some battery terminals. Sorry about that, guys. For, I guess it's for the 13.5 class if you want a scale look. But that's nice. I don't know if these is, I've never seen them before, so that's different. I was shocked. Check this one out right here. A parachute, though. This parachute is sick right here. I got 4 screws that mount up here in the back. It's non-functional, so you know, it's just for style, but that's nice. I like that. Also, we got some more connectors here. These are IC3s. More IC3s, and then we got a IC3 into a JST connector. So that's what was on the top layer. Man, shout out to David again, man. I truly appreciate it. This thing got me overwhelmed because I was not expecting no care package like this. So I'm going to go ahead and see what else is on the bottom. I haven't even seen yet, so I'll be going through it with you guys. So let me clear this out, and then I'll get to the box. All right, guys. It's so much stuff in here that I want to make sure y'all seeing what I'm taking out of here. So in here, there is something in this bag I got to go into and see what that is. So go ahead and take this off. We got a LiPo battery. Got a LiPo, ladies and gentlemen. We got, what? He gave me a smart, wow, that's crazy. He gave me a smart charger. Wow, we definitely gonna have to do a video just on this, unboxing on just this. Wow, that was crazy. All right, that's it. And then we got the Traxxas 40-watt plug-in charger. Hey, man, David, I really got to give a shout-out to you. All the way from Mass to New Mexico. That's very overwhelming that you gave me all of this stuff. for a care package. I really appreciate that. Also, I want to show y'all, this gave me these stickers. So I'm assuming that this is where y'all could reach out to him at, Beach RC Hobbies. That's his stickers. You could definitely go there and get all the stuff here, especially the cool upgrades and stuff. We're going to see what's in this bag real quick. Sorry about the noise. But we might as well go through it together. Okay, tire glue. Okay, yeah, that was smart. That was a great idea right there. Dang, I ain't got to get no tire glue. I got it right there. Man, so shout out to David, man. That was a great care package. I truly appreciate that, man. I will be putting all this stuff to you. I will be using most of it, but it definitely was a great gesture, and I appreciate it, man. Truly am. I will be using this battery. If not, we'll see. But I'll use this charger. Before I do anything with this, I want to unbox this charger and probably use the batteries, and we'll go from there. Anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in. Once again, shout out to David again from New Mexico. I appreciate the care package. This was one hell of a care package. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in.